Live from the MultiGP headquarters, this is MultiGP News.
Today on MultiGP News, it's an event where drones and art collide. The second annual Baltimore Drone Prix kicks off during the 2018 Light City Festival next month. MultiGP News has all the details coming up. Plus, early bird tickets are now on sale for one of the most anticipated events in the Northeast, and this one, also a wildcard qualifier. A breakdown of Buffalo Bando and how you can sign up for all the action. Also, are you an international pilot who wants to participate in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series? Well, here's your opportunity. The steps you need to take to compete in the 2018 series. Then, MultiGP chapter organizers, listen up! With the 2018 season upon us, we want to show you a new feature on Racesync that will help set up your chapter's qualifier. All this and much more coming up on MultiGP News. Welcome back, everyone. Here are your top stories this week on the MultiGP Rundown. Buffalo welcomes all drone pilots to compete in what will surely be the most unique event of 2018. Check it out. Early bird tickets are now on sale for one of the most anticipated events in the Northeast this year. Buffalo Bando 2018 kicks off June 22nd to the 24th at Buffalo Riverworks, a premier venue in the heart of downtown Buffalo's waterfront. The venue only 20 minutes away from must-see sites like Niagara Falls, casinos, the Naval Park, a baseball and hockey complex, and much more. The massive complex equipped with a tight and technical indoor track, an incredible baby Bando micro course, plus a 3D championship track you don't want to miss. Remember, Buffalo Bando 2018 is a MultiGP wildcard qualifier. One lucky pilot will earn their spot in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Championships. For ticket prices and event details, visit buffalobando.com. Don't miss out on this epic event. Burn pack after pack without the hassle of waiting. Remember, all spectators are free. Visit buffalobando.com and get your ticket now. It's an event where drones and art come together. The second annual Baltimore Drone Prix will be held during the 2018 Light City Festival this April. Here's why you don't want to miss this historic event. Take a look. The second annual Baltimore Drone Prix will be held during the 2018 Light City Festival on April 14th, 15th, and 21st. The race will feature a one-of-a-kind course highlighted by illuminated artistic obstacles on Rash Field. The events will take place over a 3-day period. Preliminary races and championship rounds on April 14th and 15th, closing with a youth and amateur competition on Saturday, April 21st. The 2018 Baltimore Drone Prix will feature a $1,200 grand prize for professional racers from around the region, as well as prizes for spectators and amateurs. A youth drone racing team from Greenmount West community will headline the amateur race. Amateurs are invited to enjoy a free fly session and test their skills on the course. The epic race will feature a 146-foot long and 26-foot tall race course, which will also function as an amazing attraction with large illuminated artwork lining the course for the drones to dart around at high speeds. Interested in attending as a racer or spectator? Sign up today at globalairmedia.com/drone racing. Last year's Baltimore Drone Prix attracted over 500 spectators, and Light City 2018 is expected to attract over 500,000 visitors this year. For more information and sign-up details, visit globalairmedia.com/drone racing. And when we come back, simple steps international pilots need to take to participate in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series. Plus, a new feature on Racesync every chapter organizer needs to know this racing season. Stick around. Hey international pilots, you too can join in on the competition. All the fun in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series and Championship. Here's what you need to know. International pilots, get in the action. Now for the very first time, we're opening our regional series to not only pilots from all over the country, but now all over the world. Here's how it works. International pilots must pick a home chapter in the nearest region and visit their qualifier and final. Then international pilots must run a race in their country with 10 or more pilots. Top 2 pilots are eligible to buy a regional finals ticket at one of the 6 regional finals. For more information, visit our website at multigp.com, click on the Championship tab, and select International Pilots. With 2018 Regional Series here, there's a new feature on Racesync we want every chapter organizer to become familiar with. Take a look.
Hey chapter organizers, I'm Chris Perry, Head of Development at MultiGP. And with the 2018 Regional Series starting up, I'd like to take a few moments to show you how to create an official MultiGP Regional Qualifier. We made it really easy this year. Just log in, head to your chapter, and add an event. We created this new button that I will show you momentarily. Create a Regional Qualifier. This gets everything set up for you, including the race format, as well as it tells live time that you're running a regional qualifier, and will set live time up for you as well. Set your start date, change your name as you need. You set your total number of practice rounds. Best 3 out of 5 is in the rules. Set your location, your season. Would you like us to fill out the short description, long description for you? Would that be helpful? Let me know. Above and beyond that, is there any additional frequency profiles that you'd like to see? Or would you like to see us have a different one by default? Personally, I always use IMD6C. I want to see what everybody else thinks. To finish up, then not only are you going to have your regional qualifier created, but now it's going to show up on our 2018 schedule.
Over 27 MultiGP regional qualifiers have been set up so far, and we anticipate seeing close to 50 by the end of the week. So log on to multigp.com and set up your local qualifier today. Now it's time for our crashes of the week. We want to thank those who took time to send us some of these crash clips. Check it out. If you would like your crash featured on an upcoming episode, visit our website and submit your videos to multigp.com/crash. That's all the time we have for this episode of MultiGP News. Remember, we're looking for MultiGP media ambassadors to join our team, and you can apply in 2 easy steps. To learn more, visit our website at multigp.com and click on the League Info tab. Also, catch glimpses of the 2017 National Championships during the Reno Championship Air Races, Saturday, March 31st at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on NBC Sports. Finally, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalara Manade reporting for MultiGP News. See you next week. If you like this video, press the like button below and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching! If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.